Got one. It's not very big. Hey. Thanks. There's a lot of energy left in him. I saw a couple of them pop. You want a trico? That's a good one, that's a good one. Nice, as soon as we tied on, that was like the first cast. That was sick. Here, I got the net for you. Oh, you awesome. There you go. That's a long one. Nice job.
Oh, dude, the fly just came out.
That's cool. There he is. Nice job.